There's a park. There's a park. Yes. I'm disappointed again because that's Tyler's favorite, favorite thing to do. What are you going to get at the supermarket, baby? Huh? What are you going to get at the store? Papa? You're going to the supermarket, love? Look at him. Be careful now because you have the basket. He's gone. Jardin d'enfants means garden for kids. So we officially made it to the botanical garden and we're here, Tyler and I. So let's see what's around here. Look at this cool waterfall coming down, so that's cute. So let's go. Wow, Tyler, look at the little fishes. Look at the fishes, Papa. You see that? You see that? You see that, Papa? Look. Frogs? No way. I don't want to see no frogs. Run, Tyler, run! We don't want to see no frogs. If I see one frog jumping around, I am going to run right back home, I promise you. Wow. Let's go this way. It's no fun without babe. I'm sad. It's no fun without Papa, Tyler. There's a park. There's a park. Yes. But there's still no swing. No. There's no swing, Tyler. No swing, baby. Hey. Yes, baby. no balls, no dogs. Yes, baby. You wanna go play? Play? Run, Papa, run! Where do you wanna go? Yes, baby. Yes, baby. So there is a park in the garden for kids, but there were no swings. I'm disappointed again because that's Tyler's favorite thing to do. So yeah, there's no swing. You wanna go on that one? Okay, we're gonna go on this one. Let's go up on this one, right? Got back from the garden a while back. My camera battery was almost dead, so I couldn't get to record much, but we had a good time at the park. Papa is at work. Tell the peeps you had a good time at the park. Ow! You can't. Oh my god, you guys, look what he's doing. Oh my god. You guys, it's my glasses you wanted all this time. Let's put it on you. Let's put it on you. You want it? Wait, let's put it on you. Yes, honey, yes. You like it? Let me see. You like it? Yes, baby. He have one of his own, but he always pulls it off. Mama? Yes, baby, you like it? Thank you. Can I have it now? Thank you. Thank you. Good boy. We had a good time at the garden. Tyler had a good time at the park, even though I was disappointed that there was no swing. But he still enjoyed the other... Why my hair look like this? He still enjoyed the other things that were there. Thank you. He still had fun with the other things that were there. So we got back home. As a matter of fact, as we left the park and was walking around in the garden, I realized that he fell asleep. So I didn't really walk for much longer. I just came home. I didn't even bother him. He continued sleeping while we reached home for a little bit. Gave me a chance to have lunch and excuse me, I'm tired. Gave me a chance to have lunch and just chill for a bit. It's late afternoon now, so I think I'm going to make dinner in a bit. I just feed him snack. I can't believe Taylor almost had one banana to eat all by himself. Is when the banana almost finished, he pushed it away and No, he doesn't want any more. My child eats a lot of food, and I don't remember if I told you guys that he eats every and anything. I don't have no problem giving Tyler food whatsoever. So yeah, I'm not even sure what I'm making for dinner, but I took out some fish, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it as yet. Maybe some veggies, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys later. I'm going to go outside because I think the sunset is going to come up anytime soon. So as usual, I have to catch that. I can't let that beauty miss me. Yay! Go get it! Go get it! Thank you! Good boy! What? Yeah! Get it! Get it, Papa! Yay! Ready? Come! Come, baby! Come! Hi guys, I'm just coming on to end the vlog. Hubby's home from work. As you guys can see, I'm extremely tired and Tala is off to bed. I'm just having a cup of tea and then I'm just going to get some rest because I have to wait to work out early tomorrow. As you guys know, I can't miss my workout. I'm trying, and hobbies motivating me. It's the weekend, but I'm still gonna get up and work out, babe.
I know. But you know that I can keep Tyler.
I know that, but you know, if I don't get up early to work out, I don't want to do it again. Right? So I still have to get up and work out early. He's playing games. So you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share if you like, comment down below so we can chit chat. And if you're new to our channel and you've watched this far, don't forget to subscribe down below and click that little bell beside the subscribe button, so when I upload you can get the notification right away. And keep up with us, enjoy the journey, enjoy the family. And to all the new subscribers, welcome to our channel. We're growing slowly but surely. We are at, I think, 800 subscribers, so that's awesome. Thanks to every single one of you guys who have supported us for the past 5 months since we're on. It's been going well and we are enjoying sharing our moments with you guys. So yeah, let me stop the rambling with my fat eyes. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.
Bye guys.